What we have here is a MOS WF series made by TAT. It's a GE vent top mount spinner. Bell canopy with a double claw mounting system. Nice cane. Here's the top of the motor. It is a flat UFO motor. These motors are known to haul ass and to be immensely powerful, especially with the industrials. Anyway, let's see what it does. Starting on low. Low speed is a little faster than average. Go to medium. Now on medium, it's already moving a good amount of air. It almost seems like high for any other fan. In other words, it hauls ass even on medium. Has a little bit of wobble, but that's relatively normal. Now let's see what high is like. Now high is, as expected, absurdly high, and the fan moves a crap ton of air. It also has a relatively decent blade pitch. So I mean, this thing, yeah, it's definitely moving. Now the flat UFO motor was made powerful enough to move 3 heavy as hell steel blades for an industrial. Because TAT's steel blades were obscenely heavy, thick gauge steel. So they had to move. So, I guess eventually they developed this flat UFO shaped motor. And first they used it with industrials, and then they used it with the residential fans. And it fits pretty well. It's rated at 0.9, yeah, 0.89, 0.9 amps. It's a 188mm motor. Oh yeah, it flies. Let's reverse it. There's a little bit of a startup hum, a startup sound. Good harmonics. Now, unlike other industrial motors, the motor in this, the flat UFO motor, was designed for reverse. As in, it's about as fast in reverse as it is forward. So, performs well at all settings. The finial's broken, but pull chains can be replaced. Found this thing at Habitat. Originally marked at 25, I got them down to 10. The tag said only works on high. Turns out that's a load of bollocks because it works fine. Although someone did clip the leads, so I had to replace those. So, kept it sitting there for about a year. So I finally gave in and picked it up. And yep, this thing is thoroughly awesome. And there you have it, a Moss WF series made by TAT.